Alright y'all, what's good? So today I'm out riding at my neighbor's house. What we're gonna be doing is my bike. It is a Yamaha TTR 90. It's a legend. I know it's not that new, but and I'm gonna put my phone so this isn't the view that you're gonna get, but it's mostly you want to listen. So I'm just gonna be going down my neighbor's driveway from like all the way down there. I think it's 1/10 of a mile, so I should be able to max it out in third gear. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, while you're at it, rate the riding unit. I'll show you after I get done with this part real quick. After I get done. Alright. Let's go. It might not sound that good to you, but it sounds great to me. I would end the video here, but I'm gonna go ahead and record it, me going back up the driveway. Alright, let's go. And yeah, that's it. So, rate on a scale of 1 to 10 of how good it sounds in your opinion. And if you're a two-stroke person, you're probably gonna say it was 0, 1, negative, whatever. But personally, I think it sounds great. Yeah. So make sure to comment on a scale of 1 to 10 of how much of how good it sounds in your opinion. All right, see ya.